everybody back to the channel, back on the road again at Ikea, Tempe, picking up a set of couches to drop off at Bondi. How's everybody doing today? Staying safe? Catch you on the next clip. We're at the click and collect desk, waiting for our order so we can get it delivered to Bondi. How's everyone doing this morning, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you are in the world? All my subs, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the support, all the comments, all the encouragement to keep grinding and training. You guys know Ikea? Some job proof, and we'll go onto the channel as well. Delivery address, and the couch is now getting carried up to the 3rd floor by Jordan. See you guys on the next clip. Right people, we just finished and completed our delivery. We are in Bondi Beach, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. Hopefully you can see over my baldy head. Oh, look at that. That's cream, ain't it? You wish you had that, eh? Huh? Look at that. That's cream. Beautiful day for it. I'll see if I can cross the road without getting hit by a truck. Not my luck. Oh, there we go. Focus down here for a bit of a squiz. I know they've got some calisthenic bars around here somewhere, but we're not going to get into that today as I've got a day off training. But next time we're going to find these calisthenic bars and we're going to do some pull-ups. This is the bottom end of Bondi Beach. I hope you guys are getting a good view. To all my subscribers, much appreciated for hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share the videos, or share the ones you like anyway. Hit that notification bell. Make sure you get notified on all the new clips. And I want to thank all my subs that have been supporting me and encouraging me to train on my videos. I want a big thanks to you guys for all the comments and the kind words mentioned. That's a sick bike down there, look at that bike. Yeah, nice chopper. Beautiful day for it. Jordan still hasn't come down the stairs. It's 3 levels of winding stairs with an Ikea couch. There you go. That's the video for today. I'll see you around.